Hi everyone, my name is Robin James and we talk about the the role of hormones and involve the female and male reproductive system. First, the the female and male reproductive system are complex systems that are responsible for the rep- production of gametes and the development of offspring. The production of gametes is the development of offspring are regulated by hormones. And the hormones involve the female reproductive system. First, the follicle stimulating hormone or FSH is stimulates the growth of ovarian follicles and the production of estrogen by the ovaries. Second is luteinizing hormone or LH triggers ovulation and stimulates the production of progesterone by the corpus luteum. Third is estrogen. Stimulate the development of endometrium and the secondary sex characteristics of females. And fourth is progesterone. It maintains the endometrium and prepares the body of pregnancy. And hormones involved the male reproductive system is follicle